Hello guys, this is Engineer Waqas Ahmed and today's video topic is Earned Value Management Systems, and this video is going to be very important for you people. As a project management coach, a consultant, I am going to implement a very practical version of earned value management. Either you are working in construction industry or oil and gas industry, this application is very useful for you people to understand, to learn how to calculate or measure project performance. So earned value management, or in shorter format, I can say EVMS, is actually a technique or tool of project management which will be applied to measure project performance with the context of time management and cost management. So by the application of this, you can measure your project performance in the two perspectives, like with respect to time and with respect to cost. So first of all, you have to define it. It is a project management application technique which will help you to measure your project status with respect to time and cost. So to implement your earned value management system is actually a process. Keep this thing in your mind. So whenever we are going to talk about anything which is called process, we need certain things as inputs, and on the basis of those inputs we are going to get outputs. So what inputs we are going to get over here? So first of all, you have to understand, as an input you need three things to understand: planned value, earned value, and actual cost. Now what is meaning by planned value? As a project management coach, or as a planning engineer job career, you know that we have a project life cycle in which we have a planning phase and execution phase. Whatever we are going to plan is come under the planned value, like what we have thought. Like, I will give you an example. If we are going to make this plan that we are going to travel tomorrow morning from this point to another city, so that is actually your thought, that is your plan. But when actually you are going to start that traveling, so in the mid of your this journey, you are going to calculate, okay, last night I thought that by this time I would be on this city or in this point, but in reality where you are. So this example is going to help you to understand planned value is actually your thought, your plan. Planned value. Earned value, as per your project schedule, how much you have done your work in reality, work done. This would be called planned work, planned work, planned value as per planning phase. This will be your work done. The third most important thing is actual cost. Actual cost will be calculated like whatever is going from your pocket. Finance people are going to tell you that how much. Let's see, I'll give you an example. There is one project schedule by the, and here you have to keep one thing. All these things would be calculated against one data date. Data date. What does mean by data date? Like, I'll give you an example. A project is going to start from 1st of January and it's going to end on 31st December, 1 year project. Okay. So if we need to measure our project performance in the 15th March, so I have to understand on 15th March what will be the planned value that will be there, because plan is already done. So on 15th March, we will come to know that how much work has done already on 15th March. Okay, let's say planned value is as per your project schedule. It was supposed to be completed your project like 15%. Your project progress need to be completed. Okay, as per your but as per your site data, as per your progress, you have only done 10%. This is your earned value, work done. You got it? As per your site data, as per your actual work done. What is actual cost? Actual cost means this 10% work has been done, but how much cost it has incurred. Like, you can calculate by your finance guys that how much labor cost, material cost, machinery cost, overhead charges, expenses, maybe that is $2,500. Now how you can take these values? You can multiply this for 15 project budget, your project cost, total cost, and it is going to be like maybe $1,800. It is going to be like same way, $1,400. And what does mean by that? Now I'll make you understand about this thing. You were supposed to do $1,800 worth of work till 15th March, but actually you have done only $1,400 worth of work. Okay, but on doing this work, $1,400, you have spent $2,500. You got my point? Because there are risks involved. Maybe some material is not wasted, productivity is not good. Okay, so that's why this is extra cost has incurred. So by the calculation of these three values, now you have to calculate earned value management indicators, which will be called KPIs, which are going to help you to understand KPIs, key performance indicators. There is schedule variance, cost variance, schedule performance indicator, cost performance indicator. So these are the formulas. So there is formula earned value minus planned value. There is earned value minus actual cost. There is earned value divided by planned value, earned value divided by actual cost. Now there are trends. Already you know that if you are using Primavera P6, if you have already attended this video, you know that how to calculate these videos. So planned value, you have this value and you will have, if this value is in negative, it means you are behind the schedule, because earned value management is going to help you to understand your project performance as per time. By these two perspectives are there. So this schedule variance is going to help you to understand how much your project schedule is ahead of your schedule or behind the schedule. If the value is in negative, it means you are behind the schedule. If it is in positive, it means you are going good. Same way, if cost variance is negative, it means you are over budget going. And if it is positive, it means you are going good. Schedule performance indicator, it's if it is greater than 1, going good. Like if your value by dividing this one is 1.20, it means that you are performing 20% good, your productivity, your everything is going good. And if it's like 0.8, it means you are losing by 20%. And same way, cost performance indicators, if it's like 118, because this is ratio, so it means you are saving 18%. You have spent 1 rupee, but you are getting work done 1.18 rupees worth of work. And if it is like 1 like this, it means you are losing 10 cents on every single dollar or an every single rupee. So that's how you can understand earned value management systems. But earned value management system in graphical, these are the stats, these are the data oriented kind of things. But if we talk about earned value management, again we will talk about S curves. And here let's see, this is your planned value which is already done. This is your planned value. Okay, this baseline, this is your baseline which is already completed. Now this is your data date. As I mentioned, this is 1st January, 31st December, this is 15 March, this is planned value. You will understand now. 15%. Now earned value, actual data. So here 10%. You got it? This is earned value. Now actual cost. Actual cost will be like here. Sorry, yes. Okay, like this way. So that's actually, if I will present you people this one, you will understand. Okay, I was supposed to do this work. See on black here, this was my planned work, but I could not meet that mark. I'm lagging this much. See, I'm lagging this much. But doing this work, I have extra money spent. I have, see this much, I have extra spent on this task. I lag this one. There is double deficit. There is double loss. I could not meet up to that mark, but I could not even maintain my expenses and all that. You got it? So that's so it's visually is going to help you earned value management. to help to understand your to assess your project performance like this way. Okay, so this is going to help you that how your project is performing. So this is earned value management. If you enjoyed this video, please write down in the comment area that how did it help you.